After a car accident, most people instinctively call their own insurance company. But if the accident wasn't your fault, there is another option, one that could save you money and a lot of unnecessary stress. We're an independent accident management company established in 2009, specialising in non-fault accident claims. When you choose us, you won't pay an excess, your no claims bonus won't be affected, you'll get a like-for-like replacement vehicle, and your car will be repaired using new, manufacturer-approved parts backed by a lifetime guarantee. You'll also have a dedicated claims handler. That means you'll have one person who knows your case and supports you throughout the whole process. But most importantly, our service doesn't cost you anything. We'll recover all our costs directly from the at-fault driver's insurer, not your policy. We're here to make sure a non-fault accident doesn't become a stressful experience. It's why we're rated 4.9 stars on Trustpilot. So if you've been in an accident that wasn't your fault, get in touch and let us help you get back on the road.